India continues to report fresh cases of human metapneumovirus or HMPV infections. While Health Minister JP Nadda has assured the public that the situation is under control and that there is no risk of a COVID-like outbreak, should you be worried about this China-originated virus? Here's all that we know so far. All of the cases in India so far have been reported in children, with HMPV identified in Bengaluru, Nagpur, Chennai, Salem, Kolkata and Ahmedabad. In Bengaluru, a 3-month-old baby who has been discharged and an 8-month-old who is currently recovering at a hospital were the 2 cases. A 2-month-old was also found infected in Ahmedabad, and in Tamil Nadu, 1 case each has been reported in Chennai and Salem. In the latest, 2 children aged 7 and 14 have tested positive in Nagpur. The rise in cases in India comes amidst a surge in respiratory illnesses in China. There is currently no evidence that the outbreak is extraordinary or that a new respiratory virus or illness has emerged in China. The symptoms of HMPV are similar to those of flu and other respiratory infections. Common signs include cough, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, the virus can also lead to complications like bronchitis and even pneumonia. Let's now look at how this virus spreads. HMPV can spread through respiratory secretions from coughing and sneezing, close personal contact, and touching objects that have the virus and then touching your eyes, nose or mouth. The virus has an incubation period of 3 to 5 days. HMPV in particular poses a higher risk to certain groups of individuals. This includes young children under the age of 5, older adults above the age of 65, and individuals with weakened immune systems. There are currently no antivirals to treat HMPV, so treatment includes providing supportive care to patients with moderate or severe symptoms. The Indian Council of Medical Research is monitoring the situation. The Health Ministry has urged citizens to follow certain do's and don'ts to protect themselves and prevent the spread of the infection. The ministry has advised people to cover their mouth and nose with handkerchiefs or tissue papers when coughing or sneezing. Wash their hands with soap and water or use alcohol-based sanitizers. Avoid crowded places, stay at home and limit contact if sick, and drink plenty of water and eat nutritious food. Further, as preventative measures, the ministry has advised people against reusing tissue papers and handkerchiefs, coming in close contact with sick people, and frequently touching the eyes, nose and mouth. They have also advised against spitting in public places and self-medicating without consulting the physician. While HMPV currently looms as a threat of yet another potential health crisis, public health experts have stressed that standard respiratory hygiene measures and vigilance are sufficient to control its spread for now.